Everyone here knows a thing or two about cooking. I presume and undeniably likes to eat. However, does anyone know how to maximize the scraps while cooking and the leftovers, aside from making some of them as fertilizer than just throwing them? Let's go and discover the world of chemistry. Biogas. Biogas is what we call an alternative gas, or should I call it a renewable type of gas. Of gas mixtures of 50% to 75% methane, 25% to 50% carbon dioxide, and smaller amounts of nitrogen, 2 to 8%, and other gas traces such as ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and many more volatile organic compounds. What is biogas chemical? Chemically, biogas is a flammable gas. It is composed very differently depending on the substrate employed and technical workup. Biogas is gases extracted from food scraps and other bioorganic waste through the anaerobic digester. Inside the digester, where cooking happens at 37 degrees Celsius to prepare the waste. Treatment comes first before the waste reaches to the tank to make them more degradable. Inside the tank, there are steps of process made before releasing the final product: hydrolysis, acidogenesis, and methanogenesis. The first stage is hydrolysis, where long-chain polymers are turned into small parts called the monomer. The next stage is the acidogenesis. Acidogenic bacteria are the primary cause for the small component to ferment and break, creating a volatile fatty acid, carbon dioxide, ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and many more of its byproducts. The tertiary stage is the acidogenesis. Molecules that have been created producing acetic acid, more carbon dioxide, and hydrogen were caused by the acetogens. Lastly is the methanogenesis. This is the final part of the process, and as its name suggests, it is where the biogas used for energy, methane, is produced. The great thing is that it tackles two environmental issues at once. For starters, it reduces the amount of food waste that ends up in landfills. Food waste that is discarded in landfills is an environmental issue since the gases emitted during the decomposition are released into the atmosphere, adding the global warming. Anaerobic digestion diverts part of this gas from the atmosphere and puts it to good use. Second, it provides a clean, eco-friendly alternative to fossil fuels to energy generation. It is also classified as renewable energy since the raw materials required to fuel it are always accessible naturally.